Hello there! Whether you're new to PS5 or a veteran, here are 30 tips and secret features your console is hiding. Let's do this! First, mute your mic by default in sound settings. Also, quieten that loud startup beep under system, then beep in light. Appear offline from the login screen for peace. To see your total play hours, head to your profile and then the Games tab. Enable console sharing to let others play your games. Also, download the PS app to manage captures and boot games remotely. The app auto-uploads captures for 14 days and even lets you trigger game updates while you're away from home. Manage console storage from the app and join PS Stars to earn loyalty points for real store credit. Prolong battery life by reducing vibration and trigger effects. Dim the controller light in accessories settings too. Turn off the controller speaker if you use headphones. Also, hold the PS button for 10 seconds for a quick shutdown. Check the Sony Pictures Core app for free movies. Set an auto-off timer for controllers in power-saving settings. Switch to USB communication for faster inputs. You can also disable home screen music in the sound settings. Pin your top games with Keep in Home and organize the rest into custom game lists in your library. Use gyro mode for faster typing by pressing L3 and R3, or use the touchpad as a mouse on the keyboard. Say, "Hey PlayStation" for voice commands and look for the Pro Enhanced tile in the store for boosted games. Enhance PS4 image quality and settings and delete those 0% trophy lists from games you didn't enjoy. Use the wish list for sale alerts and link your Discord account in users and accounts for cross-play chat. Hopefully, these 30 tips help you level up your PS5 game. I'm Adam from TechVibes. See you in the next one.